Hello everyone and welcome to Tuesday's 2-Minute Tech Tips. Today I want to talk to you about Windows shortcuts. So there are lots of shortcuts built into Windows that can help to speed up various different tasks, and I'm going to talk to you about some of the more useful ones. So the first one I want to show you is just the Windows key on its own. If you tap the Windows key on your keyboard, the one that looks like the Microsoft logo, it will bring up the menu and you can search for the application or file that you're looking for. Windows key and L will lock the workstation. So basically, if you're going away from your desk and your security in mind, we should always lock our computers. Windows key and L will lock the computer quickly for you. Windows key and P will bring up a list of options for when you have an external monitor or projector connected to your computer. So you can choose to duplicate the screen, extend it, have it on the second screen only, for example. Windows key Shift and S will bring up the snipping tool. So this will allow you to grab an area of the screen and save it to Clipboard, which you can then later go on and edit. So that's quite useful for documentation or just demonstrating something that you can see on your screen to somebody. In a moment, that's going to pop up down here in the corner and tell us that clip's been saved and we can edit it. Windows key and V is a bit of a game changer for me, as this is the clipboard history. So you can basically look through your clipboard history and select some text or images that you've previously saved to the clipboard. Very, very handy when you're doing a lot of copying and pasting. Windows key and full stop or period will bring up the emojis menu. So this allows you to insert emojis into emails or into whatever you're typing, really. Windows key and tab brings up all of your open applications, so you can browse through the applications that you have open and select the one that you want to go to. Then finally, the last one I want to talk to you about is Windows key plus the arrow keys. So that will allow you to use the arrow snap feature of Windows to move applications and snap them to different parts of the screen. That's just pressing it once. If I press the Windows key and right again, it will bring up a list of other applications that I have open. I can select them and basically have them lined up side by side so I can work on them together. Really, really handy. I hope that you found these tips useful, and tune in next Tuesday for a Tuesday's 2-Minute Tech Tip. Thanks.